Dude,
Stop.
I'm recording a fight.
Girl fight.
Oh, Lord.
Put her clothes on.
What? You have no
He
emotion.
took my music.
So what? I don't care.
You care.
Hey, Carlos.
Don't lie, you care.
I don't care. You don't need to
You don't
listen to
say I'm
music.
sorry when you fight. She goes,
Ashley, how was your day? Here, I'm gonna sit right here. But you gotta put your feet down. Okay.
I got beat
Wait,
up.
I'm interviewing you. How was your day?
I got beat up today, so good. Really good.
Sam, how was your day?
making your day better.
Sam, how was your day?
Good until I had to come to class back.
That's mean. That was like, that means your day's bad then, because your whole
you
day's
see
been
this
with
ring right
Ashley.
here?
Yeah.
That means she's pure.
Y'all, I don't
I
have
used to
my,
have one of those.
y'all, I don't have my ring. Hold it. Oh, whew, found it. I was about to die. All right.
Yeah, you remember the silver ring thing? I was like,
Oh my god, that was great.
What is the silver ring thing?
You went to
something for abstinence.
He was in the same church as me.
I saw him there.
You do you have your silver ring?
Wait, did I go?
No, you don't.
Yeah, sure.
No, I didn't go, did I?
I went.
No, because it was on a Saturday and I had better things to do.
Did you go to? Do you have your silver ring still? No, you
I
don't.
never got one.
You fake.